If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisegel.com to see the full video on the topic. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this series. This is the Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett Wisdom series, and today we are diving into Warren Buffett's 1985 letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, an year when Berkshire gained an astronomical 48.2% in net worth, coinciding with Halley's Comet, and as Buffett noted, neither will be seen again in my lifetime. The iron law of business growth. The insight here is that as companies grow larger, exceptional economics inevitably get dampened. Size becomes the enemy of superior returns. Buffett's perspective out here is that he explains that no company he knows of more than 1 billion in equity capital has managed to earn 20% or more on equity over a 10-year period, while reinvesting all the earnings. The right business beats great management. The insight out here being that when a management with a reputation for brilliance tackles a business with a reputation for poor fundamental economics, it's the reputation of the business that remains intact. Buffett's perspective out here is that after finally shuttering Berkshire's textile business, Buffett reflected on this hard-earned lesson. He says that despite having excellent managers like Ken Chance and Gary Morrison, the textile business was doomed by the industry fundamentals: foreign competition, commodity pricing, and excess capacity. As he puts it, should you find yourself in a chronically leaking boat, energy devoted to changing vessels is likely to be more productive than energy devoted to patching the leaks. So why does it matter? The insight separates great investors from the average ones. Most people focus on management quality, but industry economics matter more. The problem with standard stock options. The insight here being that most executive stock option plans reward managers for retained earnings and the passage of time, not actual value creation. Buffett's perspective out here. Using a brilliant analogy of saving account managed by a trustee, Buffett shows how a manager with a 10-year fixed price option benefits simply from retained earnings compounding, even with no skill. He notes the hypocrisy. Nowhere in the business world are 10-year fixed price options on all or a portion of the business granted to outsiders. But managers regularly engineer 10-year fixed price options for themselves. Why does it matter? This reveals how seemingly aligned compensation can actually misalign incentives. Options that ignore the cost of capital essentially give managers a free lottery ticket at shareholders' expense. Economic goodwill versus the physical assets. The insight here being that economic goodwill from a superior business can be worth more than massive physical assets in a poor business. Buffett's perspective out here being that when Berkshire auctioned off its textile machinery, equipment that originally costed 13 million and could have been replaced for 30 to 50 million, they received just 163k. This brings us to Charlie Munger's corner. Charlie's influence shines through in this letter's emphasis on studying mistakes rather than successes. As Buffett notes, Charlie Munger has always emphasized the study of mistakes rather than successes, both in businesses and in other aspects of life. This approach led to an honest assessment of the textile business and ultimately the decision to finally shut it down. The spotlight quote for this episode: a good managerial record is far more a function of what business boat you get on than it is of how effectively you row. This quote encapsulates one of investing's most important lessons. His willingness to finally shut down the textile business despite emotional attachment exemplifies the rational decision-making that separates successful investors from those who let hope override analysis. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisegel.com to see the full video on the topic.